Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing this intake to match the intake plenum, and we're going to be replacing it with a Turner Motorsport intake for the E92 M3. It's full carbon fiber for the elbow, and it even comes with a carbon fiber heat shield. This is the stock opening of the elbow, and it's very constricted compared to this. They say it's about a 35% increase in airflow, so that should help with sound and also with airflow for horsepower. And just like that, we have the intake installed. Pairs perfectly with the plenum. Blue velocity stacks in there. Blue air filter, all carbon fiber, heat shield, elbow, and plenum. Very impressed with the quality. The carbon matches up pretty dang well. It's not perfect, but it definitely looks great. And the exposed carbon in here. I removed the Turner Motorsport emblem there just to make it a little bit more of a clean look because it was aluminum. And yeah, looks perfect. So let's go ahead and take it out for a drive and see how it looks. So that is the Turner Motorsports E92 M3 intake. It's a cold air intake with a carbon fiber heat shield, huge carbon fiber elbow, and a huge air filter that goes well with the EAE Lab Plenum. So it's full carbon fiber everything. Love how it sounds, love how it looks. Very happy with the performance so far. It feels a little bit quicker response. Not a huge upgrade in performance, but definitely a huge upgrade in sound and looks. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good afternoon.